Hi ladies and gentlemen, today we will have some quick review once again, this time for Chinese charger from the brand Baseus US. If you remember, I have one of their products which is a power bank, still working. I use it so far several times, as you can see 90%. I also have one of their cables. So I used this power bank several times. I can say it's fine product. So this is one of the world's fastest chargers. It's Baseus US Qualcomm Quick Charger 5 standard. You can charge laptop, phone, tablet, you name it, everything which is USB-C or USB technology. Quick Charge 5 multi-port fast charge. This is 160 watts charger. That's a lot. That's a lot. I mean, BPC2 charging technology, basically USB Type-C support 100%, 100 watts, 100 watts, high compatibility, hidden ambient light, universal. It's quite expensive, I think around 30-40 euros, but I will use it in my car. Shenzhen times innovation. 12-watt charger. Basically, my previous charger it's very slow, and you know, with the bigger batteries of the phones, it's a must to have a bigger and better, not bigger but faster charger, because especially when you're travel, I'm listening to music, I'm using from the phone a lot of data, you know, the maps as well, and all of these is consuming a lot of power, so I need to charge my phone very often, or I need faster charger. I don't want to, because actually with the current charger I am unable to charge the phone, unfortunately, which is not good. I mean, it's not sufficient for me, let's call it that way. It's not sufficient for me, so I am removing this plastic junk thing in order to free you the charger. So it's finally open. So basically it have nice box, what I can say. I mean, it's a nice wooden box which is fine. I mean, for that amount of money, it's a quality product. So I'm currently having LG phone which have 5000 amps battery, which is let's say quite big. So here we have probably some notes which congratulate us. We have stickers for kids. That's fine for kids. Here we have warranty card. And we have manual, of course, which I will not be reading. Basically, you need a cable, you need phone, you need a charger. Again, especially on long trips, or especially since I don't charge my phone 24/7. Sometimes when I'm in my car, I need battery, I need to charge it fast. I don't want to spend much time charging it as well. I mean, I cannot wait in my car for 2 hours or 5 hours to charge. That's why these faster chargers exist. What we have here, this is the cable. So this is cheap Chinese cable. So nothing special about this. That's not good cable like my previous one, which I bought separately, which you will be able to see here. This is a quality braided cable, 100 watts. This is cheap cable. You can still use it, but it's not something really great, because with this cable I charge my laptop, which is more expensive. So I prefer to be safe not with this Chinese very cheapest cable in the world. So here is the charger itself. It will probably glow when it's used. Just a moment, so I can open it. It's nice heavy, as you can see. Here it have golden color. Here it have this thing. It's quality stuff. It doesn't have any fans for heat dissipation. Here we have 160 watts. That's the total amount of power for all of the USBs. Made in China, of course. Made in China. Here we have the USB-C. So basically both of these USB, the first USB-Cs, they are the fastest one. And the last one is a slower one. So basically if you're looking to get the fastest one, you need to go to the first one. The second and the third, they're a little bit slower, I think. So that's it. It's an excellent product for money if you're looking for a faster charger. So I'm happy with this company, Baseus, so far. I never seen some bad product, at least. That's what I got. Of course, I bought this a little bit discounted, but it was still expensive. But again, if you're looking for a fast charge, I don't think you can go wrong. My previous charger was on Anker, but Anker doesn't offer, unfortunately, such high-speed charger like Baseus. And this charger I paid around 30 euros back then. It arrived today, but it's a long time order, so I will use it on my card, charge my phone, charge my laptop, charge my power bank, or whatever I need. So that's it for today. I think it's the best on the market currently. If you like my videos, keep watching them, sharing, subscribe. Until next time.